Good morning, everyone. I hope you guys are doing well. I know it's been a while since I posted a video because we've been moving. I think I've talked about that in a previous video. I normally try to put up like at least a video a week. I think it's been a couple of weeks since I posted, and honestly I can't find half my things right now because they're all still packed up. Our house is like a mess right now. It's like a tornado went through here and everything is just, I don't know where anything is. So I'm not really able to film because I don't have my filming set up like I normally do. So I figured I would post a vlog and kind of just show you guys the unpacking process and document kind of like this process in our lives, because this is our first home, like our first home that we bought. The last house was a rental, so we're really excited to move into this house and just kind of make this our own. There's so many projects that we want to do, and of course the first one is just to unpack and organize and get settled in. So I figured I would show you guys kind of our unpacking and getting situated. I know it's not like a ton of fun, but I know a lot of people do enjoy them. So yeah, I hope you guys will enjoy following me throughout this day. Okay, I'm just gonna flip the camera around and show you the room I was in. As you guys can see, it is pretty messy. There's not a ton of stuff in here. I'll do a room tour in a future video, but I just want to show you guys the mess that is our house right now. Laundry room, like I don't even know. Probably gonna be one of the last rooms we do. We're just gonna do laundry as we go. And then this is just a powder room. I'll come back to that later. So here we have just our kitchen, which is pretty much like the dump room. Everything is just in here. Jordan's in his office, so I'm going to try to get over here so the music isn't in the background and this video gets flagged. All of our plants that look very sad right now are here just because we don't know what to do with them. We have a big TV in the middle. Here, we sold our couch, and so we honestly don't have any living room furniture for right now, and yeah, so we need those. All of the empty boxes, a bunch of Amazon packages, kitchen from this angle, and then this side of the house is pretty much my side. So this is gonna be my filming studio. This has great light, and so I can just film all my hauls and everything up against this wall, and as you guys can see, everything is just kind of super chaotic. I also am taking this closet, which I'm really excited about. And then over here, we're gonna have my office. So these are the two rooms I'm trying to focus on today. And yeah, just gotta clear out these rooms so I can at least start filming and working again. But yeah, we can move on to bathroom here. I'm not really too worried because that's our guest bath and this is our guest bedroom, which of course needs to be put together. So again, we're gonna focus on this office room and then my filming room, just because they're the two most important rooms, so I can at least get back to work and get back to regular life, because otherwise I don't know what to do. But this is the filming room. As you guys can see, the lighting is pretty spectacular, so I'm really excited about that. All right, I am going to get going and start organizing. Okay, so I think I'm gonna start in this guest room since this is gonna be the last room that's gonna be used. We're not planning on having any guests stay with us soon, so I'm going to try to put all of the boxes and everything in here. That way I can organize the other rooms and maybe get it done that way. All right, I'm gonna start clearing this room. Okay, so I got some more stuff into this guest room. I'll show you what I have in the office for right now. I have most of everything cleared out. I just have to get the rest of that stuff. But I am hungry, and so we are taking a lunch break. Just a really quick one. I had some leftovers right here, so I'm gonna eat that and then get back to work on clearing and organizing all of this. All right, lunch done, and I got another load of laundry in. So far so good for the day. I'm standing in my office right now, and here's what I'm looking at. this is the desk that I'm using. It's like this L-shaped desk. And this room, as you guys can see, is not that big. I'm trying to figure out how I want this desk configured. I really want to be able to sit and like look out the windows when I'm working, but it's just such a large desk and the closet door is right there. So I'm trying to see like how to arrange this so that I can have like the optimal use of space and also not like just be staring at the wall. All right, I'm gonna figure this out. Okay, so here's what I'm thinking. It's awkward because this desk sticks out so far that I can't put it against that corner because it's gonna get in the way of the closet. I can turn it around and like have it L out this way, but then again, I'm gonna be staring at the wall and not outside to these beautiful trees where it's like really peaceful. But I have it here, it's like literally right in the middle of the room. So I don't know what to do. I didn't think that this desk was so big. Okay, yeah, I think I'm just gonna go with this. And then if anything, I can always change it later. All right, so I finally figured out where I wanted the desk, and I spent the last like half hour trying to find the screws to put the desk together. I was very disorganized during this move, and I don't know why. Normally, I'm very organized and I tape the screws to whatever furniture pieces that they go with. I don't know why I didn't, so wasted a bunch of time trying to find these, but finally found them, and so we're gonna put this desk together so we can get this room put together. Okay, so now of course, I don't know where the tops are, so I had to go hunt those down. Yeah, this is the most disorganized move I've ever done. So yeah, it's taking a little bit longer than I wanted, but it's all coming together. Okay, I finally found them. They were hidden behind like big mirrors, so it took me forever, but found pieces so we can finally get on with putting this room together. Okay, wow, what a day. Okay, office is done for now. I still have a lot to put in here, but at least it's a little bit more organized, and then we're gonna move on to the other rooms and try to clean up this mess. Hey guys, okay, so it is the next day. I was hoping to get all of this done within one day. I definitely think it's gonna take longer than that. So I just wanted to check back in and let you guys know that this is the next day. I'm still getting stuff put away, tidied up, but I'm actually enjoying this. I'm enjoying knowing that we are unpacking and organizing this house, and we're going to have this house for a long time. It is our home, it's not a rental. So yeah, that is pretty much it. I will show you guys everything I do today. Taking a little bit of a break to go for a walk down the neighborhood. He's so anxious. This is Jordan's dad's dog. Tackling these next. Okay, so all of the boxes are broken down. We need to recycle those, and then I think I'm gonna see if anyone else needs moving boxes, because these boxes are in pretty good shape. And then I think we're gonna put the TV on a stand just for right now and get that out of the way, because it's kind of right in the middle of the room, and I think that's gonna help us kind of, you know, organize a little bit and just feel a little bit more normal. And then now I can go finish this room, which is my filming room, which is the room that I need to do the most. I have closet stuff in here. It's a little bit tighter than my closet in the master room. We have 2 closets in the master bedroom, but I wanted all my clothes in the same space because it's just a lot easier to get dressed when all of my newer clothes that I do for my videos are with the clothes that I already have in my closet. So I'm just gonna commandeer this closet and have all of my going out closets in here and in this room. This room will eventually be a huge closet. I want to do like custom closet stuff on that wall. Not yet though, because we just have so many things to do with this house. But everything's gonna go in here for right now. We're also gonna utilize the clothing racks in this room until I can get the custom closet up. I think I'm gonna probably use IKEA. It's the cheapest. And I saw some videos online that uses IKEA and then like they have hacks that you can do with IKEA custom closets to make it look really, really nice. So I'm gonna do that, but that's another video. So yeah, this is my room. I'm going to go tidy this up. I'm gonna put away all of my shoes and then yeah, just hopefully then I can actually utilize this room and I can film my next video, which I'm really, really excited about because they are my wedding shoes. And I decided to get Manolo Blahniks for my shoes to go with my wedding dress, which I'm really excited about. I didn't think that I would go that route. I was trying to decide between Manolo Blahniks or Valentino's, and these just happened to go on sale and I was able to save $200 on them, and I think it was just kind of like, it just worked out. And so I got a pair in blue and a pair in black. I'm going to review both of them. I'm not keeping both of them, I'm keeping just one of them. I'll let you know which one. I got them both just because I wanted to see how they would look. They're also different heights because I just couldn't tell which ones I like better. And they were, again, both on sale, so I just got them, figured I could try them out, see which ones go better with the dress, and then return the one I wasn't going to keep. Okay, I am going to put all this stuff away, and I am super, super excited to have a filming space again. All right, so she is ready to be filmed in. I'm probably not going to keep this set up, but I just wanted it to get to the point where I can actually make videos again and have a space to film. I'm so, so excited for this room. It's not as big as my previous room, but I really like the setup of the closet being here. And then this is eventually going to be a closet as well. So yeah, really excited for the potential in here and actually being able to do stuff to it. I really want to repaint these walls to like a whiter, lighter color, just like an off-white or something, so it's a little bit more neutral, it's a little bit brighter, but I think it looks pretty good so far. All right guys, well I don't know if I'm going to end this vlog here since I have the 2 rooms that I needed the most done and then just finish up the rest on my own, but I will be doing a full house tour as soon as everything is put away and more organized and not as chaotic. Yeah, because I really do want you guys to see the potential in this house. I think that there's so much we can do, so many projects we have in mind. It's just really exciting because we never really had this opportunity before since we were renting. So, you know, home improvements and home projects wasn't really a thing that we could do until now. So I'm very excited to share all of that and that journey with you guys in the future. But until then, I will be going back to making my fashion videos pretty soon. As I mentioned before, I have the Manolo Blahnik reviews coming, which I'm so, so excited about because they are absolutely gorgeous, far exceeded what I thought that they would be. All right, well that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comment section below. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it. And if you haven't done so already, be sure to click on the subscribe button right there and hit that bell notification so you can see more videos like this. All right, to see you in the next one. Bye.